Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, one of my viewers asked me that when to use across. So guys, there are 3 to 4 situations. So you have to understand those situations properly. So let me give you a practical example, okay? Guys, here I can show you one example. You can see that I am standing here on the road. You can see this is the road, okay? Are you able to see? So if I talk about, this is the width of the road, can you see this from this side to that side? And if I come here, this is the length of the road, you know, length of the road. If I go straight, that's the length of the road. So guys, if I am going like this, you know, if I am going like this, so I will say that I am going along the road. Why along the road? Why not across the road? Because this is the length of the road and I am going in the direction of the road straight, then this is called along the road. This is not across. Across has a limited area. Limited area. So here, now look at here. Okay. I am standing this side. I'm standing this side and now I have to go that side, So now I can say that I am going across the road. I am going across the road. See, I am going across the road. Now I have come this side. Now see, I have come this side. Again I am going that side. It has a limited area. If I am going that side, so I am going across the road. See, I am going across the road and I have come this side. So are you able to understand what across is? So the difference between along and across. Along is for long. Along means what? Long. There should be, the direction. It should be long. We are talking about length. That is along. And across means cross. You have the limited area and you are crossing that. So this is the one situation. It could be I'm walking across the road. It could be I'm running across the road. I'm swimming across the river. It means you are just crossing from one side to another side. Then you have to say across. Got it? It was the first situation. Now what happened if you talk about the second situation? In second situation, if somebody is standing on opposite side, that time also you can use across. How? You can see there are some boxes here. Okay, now I am going across the road, so I am standing here. I'm standing here. You can see those boxes. So what I will say, those boxes are across the road. Across the road, look at the boxes, they are across the road. It means I am here, I am this side, the boxes are those I mean that side, so I have to cross, then I will reach there. So those boxes are across the road. So across has also the meaning that opposite side. You can also say those boxes are across the road from me. If you want to include yourself also, then you can say those boxes are across the road from me. There is a shop, okay, and that is across the road. So I can say that the shop is across the road. And if I want to use myself also, I suppose there is a shop also here, then what I will say, that shop is across the road from me or from this shop. Got it? So if you can see one shop this side of the road, another shop this side of the road, then you can see, you can say that shop is across the road from this shop. Okay. See what? Okay, here I'm going to give you one more example here. See, I am here. You can see that truck. Okay. So I am here at this side. Truck is there. So the truck is across the road. The truck is across the road. Across the road from the boxes, from the shop. The truck is across the road from the shop. So this is the second situation. Now if I talk about the third situation, here there is no any practical example for the third situation. third situation is used, guys. It is used, let me tell you. You can see this road, okay? If from this side to that side, if you see any kind of bridge, okay, so something is situated and stretched from one side to another side. Mostly the example of bridge is taken. That time also across is used, like the bridge is across the river. It means why? From one side of the river or from one side of the road to the other side of the road, something is situated and stretched, totally stretched. There also across is used. But here there is a confusion that sometimes over is also used. So you can say across the road, you can say over the road, it is said. But if you think that you have to say that from one point to another point, then you have to say across. Across. It means that bridge is across the road or across the river. It means from one side of the river to the another side of the river. So here I don't have any practical example to show you. That's why I can't show you those things. But I have given you 2 examples. So understood? So 3 situations done. Now if you talk about the 4th situation. 4th situation is, let me tell you, okay, let's see, if I talk about any grocery shop, okay, let's take an example of grocery shop. So you can see behind me there is a grocery shop. Can you see? Yeah, here there is a grocery shop. You can see there. So I can say that there are many grocery shops across this place, yeah, across Noida. I mean to say, if I talk about Noida, if I talk about any city, if I talk about any country, and if I say that certain type of things are available at many places in the same country, I mean so many, like if I say, let's talk about English Institute, and there are so many English institutes in Noida, then I can say that there are many English institutes across Noida. So across Noida, across India, across, why I am using across here? It means that particular thing, if I talk about English Institute, that is available at many places in this country. If something is available at many places, okay, then you can use across also, okay. Across Delhi, if I say that there are many hospitals across Delhi, it means I am saying that if you go to any part of Delhi, you can come across a hospital. So if something is available at many locations in that city, then we have to use across, okay. Like there are so many buildings across Noida. It means you're talking about Noida. Let's talk about shopping malls. There are so many shopping malls across Noida. It means what? We are talking about shopping malls. It means wherever you go in Noida, you can come across a shopping mall. So you can say that there are many shopping malls across Noida. So you got it? So I taught you about the 4 situations of across. So this is what across is. I hope you understood. There was only one confusion about that across the bridge is across the river or across the road. That time sometimes over is also used. But one day I will make a video about difference between over and above. Most of the people have asked me this question as well. So this is all about this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you must have understood. Stay connected and keep supporting. Thank you, guys.